Okay, this portion I am showing you how can you now you understand properly about logged in user. Now this portion I am describing how to create service user. If you want to create a service user, then you need to write this command from the root privilege. Okay, so control C, Control X, sorry. Here. Okay, so when you are creating any user, that user you not want to create if you want to create any service user, then write this command. Okay, so add user and name the user name, suppose service 1 service uu. Okay, and shell bin false, that means you not provide the user logged in privilege, and no create home, that is means in your home directory for this user you are not providing him uh, 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 any folder not create for this user. Okay, so that cause I'm using the folder as a user and write this privilege. So if you create enter, then it need to ask for a password, then again okay service user, yes. Okay, the service user is created. So for using this command you create any service user. If I want to log in using the service user, okay, sudo su, okay, so you cannot logged in as a service user. Okay, so service user only for executing any application. Here I also showing and some important command in Linux, already clear. If I write the history, then you see already running command in your file in already running command is showing there. Okay, if you want to update your system, that means two type of command is present: apt update or apt get update. Okay, so apt get update is the oldest repository that also present in the Ubuntu or any Linux distribution, but we always try to use apt update. Apt is the updated version, and that version you can get huge information about your updating, how much time needed, how much byte of the code is using remaining, that all information you get from the apt command. Okay, so if you want to upgrade your system, then you write apt upgrade. Okay, if you want to write multiple commands simultaneously, you can write apt update and apt upgrade. So that means the first command is run, after complete the next command will try to start your execution. Okay, so that you see the upgradation part is starting, and you are getting information progress report, that all information not present if you are using apt get. Okay, so we always use apt instead of apt get. Apt get is older version, so you always try to use the latest version. So system is upgrading. In upgrading we are getting some another command. uh, Linux get login user information. Okay. uh, User, so 99% is completed. If I write the command users, you get the number of user in our system. Okay, this system only showing the logged in user information, not service user. And how many user is logged in, this information also get. Who am I already run. So this command is not very important. And another important command is, if you want to uh, clear cat command is very helpful. For suppose I am want to already running command and inserted to a file, how can we does this? If I write history, then I write var cat, sorry. So this type of command not huge mandatory for us, but we can write some Google cat command for write in to file. Okay, so if I get some information, okay, okay, understand. So if I write history and write the angle bracket angle and info.txt. So what is does it write the command, get the information, then write this information in info.txt file. If I open the file in Beam, and you see you are already running command in present in the file. So in Linux, how it work, and it's the first command and this is the second command. Okay, so the uh, that angle bracket means this is the input for the second command. Okay, so in Linux you can write multiple commands simultaneously for getting others input command. Okay, so now I am doing other thing. Echo is a Linux command. Some user thought echo only for the PHP developer command, not echo is a Linux command. Okay, who am I? Then it print who am I. Okay, so echo, if I write dollar sign who am I, okay, echo variable uh, path. That's Linux command showing all the path. And in Windows, you know, in our system setting you get the path information, also get the environment variable env, then sorry, only dollar sign, not need echo env environment. How can we write environment? Another important command is a end of file. Okay, it's a very important command. You can, I'm showing you something. Suppose I am writing cat hello world, and this syntax for insert the command, suppose hello.txt, no file or directory. Okay, okay, hello world. So what is the problem? Get text.php, uh, so okay, cat, that means hello.txt, hello 123.txt. Then I write something, how are you? Okay, so first I create the file touch hello 123.txt. Okay, file, I created the file, then I create. So I think some problem, but no need. When you are working this, you can understand others part. So this command is helpful. Okay, this command is very helpful for I am understanding you. Cat hyphen hyphen. Okay, and I'm showing echo some work. Okay, if I run ls, then rm hello 123 file deleted hello echo. This portion I am showing you how can uh, uh, add new line in your text file and how to modify the file. Okay, if I run echo, then write hello world. In echo you can write single character or double character also. Okay, so and store this file, suppose hello 123.txt, and if you go to the vim and hello 123, you get the hello world. Okay, q colon. If I run this command again with another text, hello 123 goodbye, now it what happened, it's overwrite the file. Okay, so if I write the vim editor and open the file, you see that your text file is modified. Okay, recreated. Okay, replaces. So if you want to no replace, only adding this file, adding another line, so you need to write this command is double angle bracket. Okay, so now if I run the again inside of hello, if I run taposh, okay, if I click enter, now open the beam file, you see the line is append with this file. Okay, so in Linux this command is very helpful. What is the angle, single angle or double angle line? Okay, so how can write in multi-line in Linux? That is very helpful. If you want to write multi-line, echo hello world, and if you want to run multi-line, that is this keyword is needed. Okay, but one problem is how can you understand which is the end of line? So if you are writing this line and you see the hello world, this text is coming because when how Linux understand this line is end, because if you want to write more line, then this line you want to also write this keyword. Okay, if you are not write this keyword in this line, then Linux understand this is your final line and then it show the information. Okay, and some another important command is what is the single quotation and double quotation in Linux. Inside double quotation you can write variable, that means hello world, and if you want to write any variable, then if I write the path variable, that is show my the path information, then you see hello world and after the path information also present there. if I click the single quotation, then what happened? Single quotation, inside the single quotation you cannot write any variable, okay, or environment variable. So that is print the line as it is, okay. So if you need any environment variable or any, if you want to need any variable inside your string, then you must use double quotation. And otherwise, if you only print as it is, you write, then use single quotation. That is the difference between single quotation and double quotation. Another important command is, if you want to get the environment, Linux print environment variable. So list all environment variable, that is print env, okay. Print env is command, then you get all the environment variable in your system, okay. So from there, this is your environment variable is present there. If you want to print a single environment variable, then you need to add the dollar sign and write the environment variable, okay. So you get the sorry, if I write only shell command, okay. And another some information, that is home or pwd long name, sorry, variable name. I forget some command in Linux also. Sorry, echo. Yeah, if you want to print any environment variable separately, you can write echo and then add a dollar sign and write the environment variable name. If you want to print the shell environment variable, then I write echo variable shell. You see bin bash also present there, okay. So now you understand, if you want to write any environment variable, and if you are getting inside your string, then write your bash script name is, then write dollar sign and write the environment variable. You get your bash script name is, yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, so I think you learn huge thing from the Linux and the code. And another last important command I want to show you, a EOF is a very important when we are writing some code in bash script, that is very helpful. That is the command is meaning is the how much time this work, okay. So I am writing something, and this command has a qualified name, I forget the name, but okay. So I copy this line and print it. Let's see, okay. So not now needed. So I think in my section you learn huge thing, how to use Linux and how to manage Linux in your environment. That is very helpful. Next portion of the video, I am starting how to write bash script. It's very needed when you are writing any bash script. But now I think you are very familiar some command that I written there, and ssh command, echo command, apt update command, okay. So how to install any software in your server, then you understand, you can know what is echo command, okay. So various command you learn from there. So I think that help you to understand Linux properly. So bye bye. Next portion I am starting some bash scripting file that help you to understand more and more code properly. Bye bye.